Hi students, this is Mr. Panico, and this video is an introduction to the summer geoscience class. First thing you might notice is that the Moodle has a different look to it. You can see it here, kind of different. You may have had this look before. Maybe some teachers were using it. I wasn't, so it's kind of new for me. And if it's new for you, just realize that everything that's in Moodle normally is in this new Google theme. So just look around and you'll see it. You'll find it. Just look around. Okay? And so first thing I want to do is ask everyone that when you go to the geoscience class or any class, I recommend you go through the dashboard, please, and not through the grade book, and do all of your lessons on the course page. The dashboard brings you to the course page, home page. It does not bring you to the grade book, which is what you want, not to go to the grade book to do your work. Do not do any classwork in the grade book. Only thing you do in the grade book is to look at the grades. But when you want to do your homework, your assignments, your lessons, you do them on the course page, okay, which you go to through the dashboard. All right, thank you very much. Moving on. So I'm going to scroll down, and everything that you see here I want you to read and understand. You got your BrainPop login. You got Mr. Panico's Google Meet link, and that link will always be here. If I have to put a new link up every day, I will. If one link can hold us for the whole summer, then that's fine too. Whatever works, I'll make sure that the correct link is here. And then you have the phone number to attend the Google Meet. If you do not have a webcam or a microphone, then you can use your phone. Here's the phone number. All right, and then here's the hours that I will be available on Google Meet. But you can also send me an email if you want to talk to me and you can't make any of these times. Then send me an email and we'll make an appointment and I'll talk to you then. Okay? And here's the summer school welcome video. Please watch that if you have not. Very important. Anything that's in here I'm not going to cover in this video, so please watch that. And the video you're watching right now should be right next to it. Okay. Moving on. Hello students. These bullet points here are really important. I want you to read them. They kind of summarize what I'm saying here in this video, but I want you to make sure you understand everything that's required from this course and the best way to approach the class. And that's what these bullet points do. All right, moving on. Now the course begins. In this first semester, there are 10 units. In the second semester, there are 12 units. There's 3 weeks to each semester, so you're going to have to do 3 to 4 lessons each week for the first semester, and 4 lessons each week for the second semester. All right. Hopefully you followed that. So what I want you to do whenever you approach one of these units, okay, this one's atoms, I want you to do everything in order that you see it. So you do the introduction first, you do the vocabulary definition second, then you do the vocabulary quiz. Then you do the pop-up video, brain pop videos, then you do the lesson on atoms. Last thing you do is the quiz on atoms. So do everything in the order that you see it. This class is designed for you to get an A or a B. It's not a hard class. I didn't try to make it hard, but there's a lot of information in the class, so you do have to do these activities slowly, carefully. Make sure you're learning as you go along, especially the lesson. You want to read the lesson slowly and carefully. Okay? Now here's minerals. Also the first week of summer, you want to do the minerals. You want to do rocks also the first week, and the fourth lesson on landforms, you also want to do that the first week of summer school, so you get all these lessons done during the first week. Okay, so let's look at minerals. Again, do everything in order. Do this first, second, do that third, do that fourth, fifth, do that last. You can have the mineral definitions open and the vocabulary quiz open. Let's take a look. Here's the definitions. Now, if I give you the definitions, what grade should you get on the vocabulary quiz? You should get an A because the definitions are already provided. But I want you to read and study those definitions to help you understand them. All right, and then when you go to the lesson, you click on that, and you'll see that the lesson pages are here in the upper right, and you just read the pages. Okay, real simple. I wrote them myself. They're not hard to understand, but there's so much information that you have to go slow. You can click the next button, take you to the next page, or just click here to go to the next page. Okay, and read slow. Make sure you understand, pay attention, focus, concentrate. read for understanding. Otherwise, if you just read it quickly, or if you skim the lesson, I'll know that because you'll have a low score on the quiz. You can't get a good score on the quiz if you skim the lesson. You have to really own it. You have to read it carefully, kind of focus and study it while you're reading it so you understand everything. Again, nothing will be hard. I promise you that. But there's so much information, you have to read it slowly and carefully. Okay, so you read the lesson, you watch the Brain Pop movie, last thing you do is take a quiz. And that's the way it is for each unit. You just do everything in the order that you see it. Okay? So there's 10 units this first semester. So just time yourself, pace yourself, so that by the time the 3 weeks is over, you've completed these 10 units. All right. Now, if you finish early, if you finish this semester within 2 weeks, then you can go on to the second semester early. And if you finish the second semester early, you're done with summer school. I mean, you may finish everything in 4 weeks, and you're done with summer school in 4 weeks. That's your call. It's up to you how much time you want to put into it, okay? And just remember to send me an attendance email every week, Monday through Friday. Monday through Thursday. Friday is considered part of the weekend. So Monday through Thursday, make sure you contact me through email. Say, Mr. Panico, this is my attendance email. Okay? I prefer you do that on Monday. But I'll leave it at that, and I'll see you online at the Google Meets whenever you want to come. Okay. Bye-bye.